Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Divine and Devilish States, Chapter 16, Shloka 3. Vigor, forgiveness, fortitude, purity, absence of hatred, absence of pride. These belong to the one born for the divine state, O Bharata.
Chapter 16, Shloka 3. Teja Kshama Dhruti Shaucham Adroho Nati Manita Bhavanti Sampadam Devi Abhijadasya Bharata.
Chapter 16, Shloka 3. Moreover, continuing the list of divine qualities. Brilliant glow, Teja. This is not a mere physical glow of complexion as a result of good food and ample rest. It is the brilliance of the intellect, joy in the eyes, the love for all, light of joy that emanates from the innermost depths of the being of Him who, with abundant energy, serves all and discovers for himself a fulfillment in that service. Patience, kshama. It is the subtle that is shown by a man in facing the world around him, an unruffled serenity even in the face of the most powerful opposition and provoking situations. Fortitude, dhriti. In order to complete any job, man needs a secret energy to nurture and nourish his exhausted and fatigued morale, and his sacred energy welling up in his well integrated personality is fortitude. Strength of faith, conviction in the goal, consistency of purpose, vivid perception of the ideal, and a bold spirit of sacrifice cultivated diligently give rise to fortitude, which removes exhaustion, fatigue, despair, and so on. Purity. The word indicates not only the inner purity of thoughts and motives, but the purity of environments, cleanliness of habit, and personal belongings. Non-hatred, adroha. It is not only absence of hatred, but recognition of the oneness in all living creatures to the extent that to injure anyone is to injure himself. Absence of overpride, na ati manita. To leave off one's exaggerated notions of self-honor is immediately to relieve oneself from thousands of avoidable excitements and responsibilities and make life light as a feather. These 26 qualities give us a complete picture of a man of divine estate. To respect and to live these values of life is to assure ourselves of a right way of living. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjot Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.